6th chapter binomial theorem. That chapter belongs to Mathematics 2A, part 52. Last part completed very important problem, repeated problem, sum of the infinite series by the binomial expansion. Today discuss last problem of the sum of the infinite series and the last problem of the binomial theorem chapter, exercise 6b. Completed in this problem, completed this total chapter also be completed. First read the problem. Before goes the read the problem, this problem belongs to exercise 6c, Roman number 3, question number 4. What is the question? If x is equal to 5 by 2 factorial into 3 plus 5 into 7 by 3 factorial into 3 square plus 5 into 7 into 9 by 4 factorial into 3 cube plus on so on infinity. Then find x square plus 4x. Then find x square plus 4x. First we have to take this value. Given that x is equal to 5 by 2 factorial into 3 plus 5 into 7 by 3 factorial into 3 square plus 5 into 7 into 9 by 4 factorial into 3 cube plus on so on infinity. This one is the problem. This is the value of x. In this problem, observe that students, here 2 factorial is there. 2 factorial is there, numerator having product of 2 terms, but here only one term is there. After that, here 2 factorial is there, 3 power 2 is there. 3 power 2, that can be written as 1 by 3 square. Here 3 factorial. Suppose here you can write 3 cube. Here product of the 3 terms is there. But here product of 3 terms is not there. That's why in this expansion multiplying and dividing RHS part with 3. This RHS part multiplying and dividing with 3. What happened? X is equal to 3 by 3 into 5 by 2 factorial into 3 plus 5 into 7 by 3 factorial into 3 square plus 5 into 7 into 9 by 4 factorial into 3 cube plus on so on infinity. After that, this numerator 3 multiplied numerator values, denominator 3 multiplied with denominator values. What happened? X is equal to 3 into 5 by 2 factorial into 3 into 3 square plus 3 into 5 into 7 by, here 3 factorial is there, you can write 3 factorial, 3 square into 3 square into 3, what happened? 3 cube plus 3 into 5 into 7 into 9, 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 whole by 4 factorial into 3 into 3 cube, how much? 3 power 4 plus on so on infinity. After that, you can write x is equal to 3 into 5 by 2 factorial into 1 by 3 square. Correct or not, students? Plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 factorial into 1 by 3 cube. This one is separated. You can write 1 by 3 cube separated. After that, here 1 by 3 power 4 separated. 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 4 factorial into 1 by 3 power 4 plus on so on infinity. After that, x is equal to 3 into 5 by 2 factorial into 1 by 3 square, nothing but 1 by 3 whole square plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 factorial into 1 by 3 cube nothing but 1 by 3 whole cube. 1 cube value always 1. Similarly 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 4 factorial into 1 by 3 whole power 4 plus on so on infinity. In this expansion, comparing with one formula, what is that formula? 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube plus on so on is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. This one is the formula. Students, in this expansion RHS part, comparing with in this LHS part formula model. See students, here first term 1 by 3 whole square, 1 by 3 whole cube, 1 by 3. Suppose here second term is there, third term is there, fourth term is there, not there in first and second terms. First of all, you can add first and second term. What is the first term? 1. What is the second term? P value is 3 by 1 factorial. X by q 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, nothing but x by q value is 1 by 3. That's why, suppose we have to take this is 1 in equation 1, adding on both sides, first term is 1 plus second term p by nothing but 3 by 1 factorial into 1 by 3. This is the second term. In this equation 1, both sides adding this term. After that, adding both sides this term 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial into 1 by 3 plus x. Adding LHS part, these two term x. After that, RHS part is 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial into 1 by 3, adding first two terms. Next term is what? 3 into 5 by 2 factorial into 1 by 3 whole square plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 factorial into 1 by 3 whole cube plus on so on infinity. See students, this total expansion, this is a which part? RHS part of in this expansion, comparing with LHS part of formula. First term is there, second term is there, third term is there, fourth term is there, on so on is there. That's why, what is the value of p? Here p value equal to 3, p value equal to 3. After that, p plus q value equal to 5, p plus q value equal to 5. After that, x by q 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, nothing but x by q value equal to 1 by 3. You can find here q is equal to 5 minus p, q is equal to 5 minus p value is 3, q is equal to 5 minus 3 value is 2, nothing but q value is 2, p value is 3, p value is 3, q value is 2. After that, you can write q value here, x by 2 equal to 1 by 3, x is equal to 2 by 3. X equal what here? 2 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3, nothing but 2 by 3. After that, this total expansion is the LHS part of formula. In this formula, LHS part, you can write RHS part. That's why, here what is that here? 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial into 1 by 3 plus x. This is a which part? LHS part. This LHS part, in this RHS part value equal to formula model. You can write 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. Okay students, after that you can write x value is 2 by 3, p value is 3, q value is 2. You get a answer. Write down p value is 3, q value is 2, x value is 2 by 3. You get 1 plus 3 by 1 factor, nothing but 3 by 1 into 1 by 3 plus x is equal to 1 minus, what is the value of x? X value is 2 by 3 all power minus P value is 3 by Q value is 2. After that 3 get cancelled. 1 plus 1 by 1 value 1 plus x is equal to, we have to take LCM. LCM is 3. 1 3 LCM 3 minus 2 all power minus 3 by 2. After that 1 plus 1 2 plus x is equal to 3 minus 2 value 1. 3 minus 2 value 1 by 3 all power minus 3 by 2. Already explained, students. Power having negative, interchanged numerator and denominator, power having positive. 2 plus x is equal to, interchange 1 by 3 nothing but interchange 3 by 1. 3 by 1 all power minus 3 by 2. Here minus can be deleted. Why? Because here interchanged numerator denominator, this minus having removed, or minus nothing but positive, plus 3 by 2. After that 2 plus x is equal to 3 power 3 by 2. 3 power 3 by 2. After that squaring on both sides. You get what? 2 plus x whole square is equal to 3 power 3 by 2 whole square. After that a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into a value is 2, b value is x, is equal to 3 power 3 by 2 whole square, nothing but 3 power 3 into 2 by 2, a power m whole power n. You get 2 get cancelled, here square this also be cancelled. That's why this way both are equal. After that 4 plus x square plus 2 2s are 4 into x 4x is equal to 3 cube. X square plus 4x is equal to 3 cube and how much? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This 4 goes to the right hand side, that is power having changed, minus 4. X square plus 4x is equal to 27 minus 4 nothing but 23. This one is the answer. Here what is the value of x square plus 4x? X square plus 4x value equal to 23. This is also be one more important problem in IP examination.